Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss dizziness. It is chiefly manifested by dizziness and dazzle. The patient of minor case can stop it with eyes closed, whereas the patient with serious case feel whirled like sitting in a car or a boat, being unable to stand up in addition to nausea, vomit, sweating, and pale face. He or she may even fall down all of a sudden when it becomes serious. Auditory vertigo, also called Meniere's disease, kinesia, acute labyrinthitis, high blood pressure, hyperlipemia, cerebral arteriosclerosis, anemia, and neurasthenia can also be coupled with dizziness. Therefore, those who often suffer from dizziness should receive timely checkup and treatment in terms of primary diseases. So here we can see the points in the figures on the top of the head, the Baihue point or the GB20 at the center of the skull directly on top of the head over the two ear tips. Next is the Shishan point, 4 points that are one soon away from the Baihue point in each of the four directions. Next is the Tohway point or the stomach 8 on the front of the head at the hairline, 0.5 soon from the center line on both sides. Next is Tai Yang point in the depression about 1 soon behind the space between the outer tip of the brow and outer eye corner. Next is the Feng Chi point or GB20 in the depression on both sides of the large tendon behind the nape of the neck next to the lower edge of the skull. These are the corresponding area of the head on the spine. For recommended procedures, first, the corresponding area of the head on the spine. So we use the surface scraping and dual angle scraping to scrape the corresponding area of the head on the spine. Next, the Tai Yang point, Tohway point, and the Feng Chi point use the flat pressing and kneading to press and knead Tai Yang point on both sides and use the single angle scraping to scrape Tohway point and Feng Chi point in the rear of the head. Next is the Baihue point and Shishan Chong point. Use the surface scraping to scrape the Baihue point toward the Shishan Kong points. For healthcare in daily life, people suffering from dizziness should pay attention to the rest and routine life. Excessive fatigue and insufficient sleep are among the inductive factors of dizziness. Irritation of the sound and light can also make dizziness worse. Therefore, the bedroom should be quiet without strong light. So in terms of the diet, eat more light food instead of food of high fat, too salty, sweet, or very oily food. Do not smoke and drink less liquor. Such spiritual irritation as depression and anger can lead to excessive rise of liver yang and endogenous liver wind, resulting in dizziness. People suffering from dizziness should keep being optimistic and lighthearted in a stable mood, which is very important in preventing the attack of dizziness, reducing the number of attacks of dizziness. Thank you for your attention.